Hello, hello, baby, you called, I can't hear a thing. I have got no service in the club, you say. What did you say? Oh, you're breaking up on me. Sorry, I cannot hear you, I'm kinda busy.
Animals talk to you? No. Kidnapped or enslaved? No.
Look like a bitch?
Yes, she is a princess.
Boyfriend.
Yes, girlfriend?
Texting other bitches?
No, girlfriend.
Telling lies?
No, girlfriend.
Show me your phone.
I just don't understand the logic behind dress codes. Teachers be like, no spaghetti straps, they're too distracting for the boys. Really? As if guys are talking to each other like, did you see her shoulders though? Bruh, them shoulders.
I'm taking a nap.
You want to take a nap?
I'm taking a nap here.
Okay, take a nap right there then.
Good night.
Dang, my Wi-Fi went out. What am I gonna do now? I guess I could go outside. Oh, are those trees? Oh, look at the bird. Oh, nature. It's just so disgusting. I'm going back inside.
Where do you live? With my parents. Where do your parents live? With me. Where do you all live? Together. Where's your house? Next to my neighbor's house. Where's your neighbor's house? If I tell you, you won't believe me. Tell me. Next to my house. Oh my god. This is Teddy. Teddy says hi. Teddy says clap your hands. Oops, Teddy died. Will you come play with me? Please. I don't want to be alone. We can play forever. And ever.
You can't make up your mind. He's always my time. I'm not trying to rewind. I wish
911, what is your emergency? Yes, I need you guys to come really fast. I have two guys fighting over me. Okay, what's wrong with that? Ma'am, the ugly one is winning. Send help ASAP.
Do you want to try it?
No.
Okay.
I'm shoppy.
Do you want to try it? Smell it. Smell it first.
Help.
Trick or treat! Trick or treat! What? Trick or treat?
Do you know who I am?
No. Trick or treat!
Moja žena je muzičarka.
Stvarno? Šta svira?
Ne svira ništa, muze krave.
A za koju diskografsku kuću?
Za Mu Records.
Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen.
Tracer.
I'm already Tracer.
What about Widowmaker?
I'm already Widowmaker.
I'll be Bastion.
Nerf Bastion.
You're right, so Winston.
I wanna be Winston.
I guess I'll be Genji.
I'm already Genji.
Then I'll be McCree.
I already chose McCree.
Hey, Sadie, please. You know that I want one of these. Plus, all my friends got cars when they turned 16. Dad, please, I want a white Jeep.
Wait, hair straight or curled? Hi, very best daddy in the world. Oh, by the way, do you mind if some friends spend the night? It's only like 20.
Every time we
Hey, what's up, everybody? This is
Bing boing, bing boing, bing boing, bing boing, bing boing.
Johnny, Johnny,
Yes, Papa?
eating sugar,
No, Papa.
telling lies,
No, Papa.
open wide.
See, there's a difference between boyfriend and boyfriend. It's this little space called the friend zone. That's where you are.
Kiki, do you love me?
Jimmy, who's Kiki?
What?
Are you cheating on me?
No, it's just a song.
No, first it was Janessa, then it was Siri, and now it's Kiki? You know what? I'm done. I can't take this anymore. I'm leaving.
Damn, mommy.
I just want
That's it.